Me say mobile 5,000, maybe 5,000. Mobile 100,000, maybe 100,000. Mobile 550,000, maybe 550,000. I feel the money I rinka. First, most Rolls Royce na yazan. I feel they be do ya. Most of the. Ebi musa second hand Rolls Royce. Ebi musa fake ride in any dia. Hey, I'm can't say travel. Here for. Mun nim say Shatta bit me to Rolls Royce. I'm church me born simple mama. And no man be brave bet say Shatta bit me to Rolls Royce. So now Shatta started born you me. No, me person me say was Shatta started born you ene. Go check Shatta songs. Go check Shatta songs, checking streams. Go YouTube checking streams. Me guys me I think say one is my born you don't even know mun quite fast with pesca. Also me post Shatta. Me started since last year. Yeah, an album line. Me posting in your sa. Do you know something? Me can't say mun ya mun spend sadi when amunye bi ma mun nipa no. Obenyeska. The more I post Shatta videos, to me fan na na post on Facebook or a bit me 500k, a bit me 1 million views in adina. Those way you know, no me Facebook on cramp no enya me na scan ba mo but most of the twice say copyright. I can't go straight. Imagine Shatta songs. Ghana ni parodwa a react to Shatta songs. Those people in a size scanning na enko see chirate. Wa bon. Yeah, we sound sure there. Anything na Shatta pese auto plane club beto. Shatta pese auto private jet in there beto. Do you know why? Na me ka say sure MDK program or koye no. Ye nya MDK program ya oye no abrochi. Ye nyina enim say Shatta ka ho bi ene ma atimi feel o2 hon mo. Enti I mean can just say Shatta on person be ko how many shows be free outside be Shatta onko. Which I know. Because we all my or no price down. Most of artists now can so more foreign shows now we can be na free shows. Baby no ko mo timi mfele. But Shatta echo 100 times. Obe fele 100 times. Obenye si betua ne 100 times. But ono no mukure ya muso say sika na onya no scam money. Nti mukure de na mo ni chance say ni pay. A friend say scammers wa kra ha na on na ji sika nti ojisanfo yi na sika mo ontimi santo to Rolls Royce. Oh. If you know what team credit after musu. Tell me Jimmy you don't tell me any evidence because for